Hey there, this is Kelly Austin with Kelly's Home. Today, I've taken Kelly's Home to the hood. My neighborhood, actually. My neighbor's house. We're at Brad and Yvette Sanders here for a St. Patrick's Day party. Yeah, it's going to be so much fun, and it's starting off with some amazing food. And we're here for the food, right? And of course, the good people and fun. Brad is smoking some butts today. He's an amazing cook, and I'm going to show you exactly how he does it, what seasons he uses, and just watch this stuff. I guarantee will fall off the bone. It's always delicious. So let's get started. I think I hear Brad in the garage right now, and let's go interrupt him and see what he's doing.
Oh, that's ready.
Okay, so how long have you kept it in this smoker?
Yeah, I put it on at 6 a.m. So it's right now, 7 o'clock, so it's been on here for 13 hours.
Okay, and what temperature do you want it at when it's
I
finished?
did this one at 250. Oh, I'm sorry, it finished 190.
Okay.
And right now we are at 190.
And you cook it at for 13 hours at what temperature?
250.
250, okay. That looks amazing.
This is the sweet one.
And what kind of spices or sauce do you put on it?
And I started off with honey, so the seasonings would stick to it. And then I did salt, pepper, a little bit of cayenne. And then I did some brown sugar. And then paprika.
It's not a family secret or anything? You can share all this?
No, you're good. There's one other one. And then I'll mop this one every 2.5 hours.
So this is a commitment. If you're going to do it, you better be ready to...
I mop this one with olive oil, apple juice, and red pepper flakes.
Oh my gosh.
Every
that's
2.5 hours.
Amazing.
Yep.
And at this time, I mean, it's ready, right?
It is ready. I'm getting ready to wrap it.
So it should be falling off the...
It should fall off the bone when I claw it apart.
All right.
Yep.
This is beautiful. So from here, it's done. It's ready to eat, or does it need to kind of cool down a little bit?
I let it set to let the juices fall back in the middle. I let it set for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to wrap it real tight and then let everything just come back together. So let it just come together as one, and then I'll claw it, and then the bone will fall right out. So you want to wrap it real tight because, if I pulled it off at 190, which is fine, 190 is fine, but if you let it set and you wrap it really tight before, it still cooks.
Okay.
So it'll cook to 5 or 6 more degrees. Yeah.
Okay. This is my friend Brad, by the way, and we are here for St. Patrick's Day party, and this man, he is the king when it comes to like smoking, barbecuing. He's the man. So you want to follow this recipe if you possibly can. Yeah. The
outer part, as you see, is the brown sugar, but that's your good crust, and that's what I love. And see, it's falling apart already right now.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna wrap it up, and we're gonna get her going.
All right, we'll check back in just a minute.
Smoked them. Oh, terrific, man.
You want to be the first to try?
Well, I don't know if I
That's
do that.
delicious.
Well, sure you do.
Yes.
I don't know. You could be alive. You may not be after you try it.
So you make your own sauces too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is in each one of these? Because I've had some of these.
This one is a vinegar based. It's vinegar, red pepper flakes, a little bit of brown sugar.
Yeah.
And then you bring it to a boil. And then you let it simmer for about 30 minutes. And you put it in this. And then this one is a white sauce, which is brown sugar, mayonnaise, paprika, salt, pepper, a couple other ingredients. I want some lemon juice. And then so that's a white sauce. And then I have a mustard base here, which is you let it sit for a little bit. Mustard.
Look at that.
The key to this is the butter at the end.
Okay.
Little 2 tablespoons of butter you throw in there.
Technique, like you don't just throw it all together. You got to layer it.
You got to layer it up, and then you get a little heat to it. Let it simmer, let it thicken. But this is a mustard-based sauce here.
So all these sauces will be perfect on any of the seasonings you've got going on.
Whatever you prefer, whatever you want to put on it.
Yeah. And Brad's cooking, his grilling, his smoking is always amazing. I mean, look at this. It's just like, it just falls off the bone. I know, yeah.
I love it.
See, he's got a crowd here. Yeah. Everyone loves Brad's grilling and his butts and what else do you have here besides a couple of butts?
3 butts right here. This is 21 pound of butt right here.
That's the way to do it.
And then it will melt in your mouth, I promise.
Yes, I've had a bite and it will, absolutely. What do you think?
You want a good taste of that crust, I'm sure.
Oh, heck yeah.
There you go.
Cameraman.
No,
Oh, the cameraman wants one?
there you go.
What do you think, cameraman?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I've got your recipe for one of these buns.
This is the
that we
cherry.
took out of the
That's the
smoker.
Carolina, and that's the sweet.
And this is what we took out of the smoker.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Sweet.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. That's my kind, the sweet. So this is what I'll be having tonight. Thank you so much, Brad.
Yes, ma'am.
So we're
Always.
gonna do this again,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Keenan's graduation, we are going to do it.
All right, his son's graduating in a couple of months, and we're going to do this again with a whole new meat and spices and seasoning.
So we're popping back outside where it's quiet because everyone's having such a great time inside. It's kind of hard to hear, but I just want to say that's Kelly's home today. I hope you enjoy Brad's recipe, and we'll be back to the Sanders house for another great recipe here pretty soon. So I know you're going to enjoy it. And when you make it, comment below and tell me what you think.